The 2011 Aprilia RSV4 Factory APRC Special Edition. Aprilia has brought a new limited edition RSV4 to the US market. Called the RSV4 Factory APRC Aprilia Performance Ride Control Special Edition, this special edition was developed using data from this year's Superbike Championship and is equipped with a new electronic management system that includes traction control, wheelie control, launch control and quick shift. The new bike is powered by a water-cooled, 999cc, 65 degrees V4 engine that develops 180 HP and 115 Nm of torque. The APRC package uses an automotive inertial platform with 2 turn meters and 2 accelerometers that enable the ECU to track dynamic conditions and adjust engine control consequently. The rider can adjust any component of the APRC system independently at will. Also, the RSV4 Factory APRC SE is the first Aprilia bike that comes with the Aprilia Quick Shift as standard. Basically, the Quick Shift shortens spark advance for an instant and then gradually restores it, making for super fast shifting with no need to close the throttle or use the clutch. The system works hand in hand with the new closer spaced gearbox to limit RPM drop during shifting for faster lap times. Press release after the jump. Press release. For riders with a need for speed and agility, Aprilia offers 4 new models to its intense lineup of powerful motorcycles. Derived from the bike that won the coveted 2010 World Superbike Championship Triple Crown, manufacturer's title, team title and rider title with race pilot Max Biaggi, the RSV4 Aprilia unleashes the RSV4 Factory Special Edition SE with the exclusive Aprilia Performance Ride Control Package APRC, which offers superbike race technology to professional and recreational riders alike. Aprilia also applied its knowledge gained on the track to the Dorsoduro 1200, an explosively powerful and extremely agile, twin-cylinder motard, offering riders a balance of performance, precision and excitement. Both the RSV4 Factory SE APRC and Dorsoduro 1200 will be in dealerships in the spring of 2011. Aprilia also designed a bike that novice riders could enjoy, the 4,125 rupees. It is the successor and most advanced evolution to date of the 125 rupees, the bike that dominated the 125cc sports class for years and remains the most highly sought-after machine among riders competing in the sport production category. The Aprilia 4125 rupees introduces the highly advanced, all-new 4-stroke powerplant to the sports segment, while adopting styling and technical solutions inherited from the RSV4. The much-anticipated Tuono V4R was also shown at EICMA and, along with the 4125 rupees, is planned for arrival in the US at the end of 2011.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.